this is coming along together nicely. I'm not gonna lie, it's a very tedious process and you have to be careful because while the mats themselves are beautiful, they are foil lined, so you wanna make sure you don't cut yourself. They have these little special roller tools to where once you get them patted down, you can get them like really set in place. The front floorboard is just about done. I still need to do some more rolling, and I'm laying out my mats for the back just so I kind of have an idea of where things need to go. The one downside with doing the deadening in this truck is that the floor pan has so many curves and hills and valleys and whatnot. It's just making it tricky figuring out what's gonna go where. I also did not order quite as much material, so I've got another order on the way so I can finish up the back of the cab and the roof. The biggest misconception that I get asked all the time, because I've been using this stuff for years, is that, oh, that looks just like roofing flash and you can just go to the hardware store and get you some of that. Absolutely not. Do not do that. They are completely different materials. The thing with roofing flashing is it outgasses, it melts, it falls off. So if you got all that in your door panels and your roof and all that, imagine that over time. And plus the fumes, you don't want to breathe all that stuff in. With the Damplifier, you have none of that. It's guaranteed never to melt, never to fall off, and never to outgas. It's a very, very high quality product that's made in America. And the Damplifier Pro in particular is 2 millimeters thick, which is twice as thick as the standard Damplifier. But what I also really like about Second Skin, and I promise this is not a sales pitch, this is just, car guy to car guys watching the video, they offer a lot of things to build upon this. Like if this is step 1 or their Spectrum liquid sound deadener is step 1, you can build upon it to take further advantage of insulating from noise, vibrations, and heat. So I've got a bunch of links down in the description box below for you guys to be able to check out their product catalog, and I'll let you know when that S10 pack goes live.